Hi, my name's Joseph Lowe and this is my workshop. I'm new to all this, so bear with me. I'm hoping we're going to get some good content of all this lot. Basically, this shop is a 14 by 9. It's all right for what it is. Basically, it's just for a bit of hobby work and stuff. Basically, I do a bit of metal work, some woodworking, well, quite a bit of woodworking work as well. But apart from that, it's all good. So I'll just show you a bit of my shed, really. Like I say, it's not massive at the end of the day. We had to move from our previous house to here. Nothing major like it, you know. It is what it is. You know, you move place to place. Not everyone stays in the same location. I'd love to stay in the same location, but it was lovely, really. So, but yeah, we'll spin you around and I'll show you the shop, basically. So basically, like I say, it's not major, really. It is what it is. I can still work in here and stuff. But this is my milling machine. Basically, I do want to talk about this mill a bit more in contents, really, but how to make it better. So, like I say, I'm new to all this, but it looks a bit messy at the moment, but I am trying to tidy up and improve as well, basically, of what I do in here. So basically, I do watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I do like to, there's quite a few people that I love to watch, really. So, but I'll give you a couple of people that I watch in the later date, like. So basically, I'm new to all this, so I'm just getting into metal work. And I need to start making stuff for what I need to do. So this is why I got this. It's a mini mill. Basically, I have done quite a few bits to this extra. So I've made up some little clamps, just sit the vise on. Basically, this vise is a good vise, really. So for me anyway, it didn't cost me that much, to be honest with you. So but I needed something to hold all my parts in, and this is the vise that I got for this. Like, it's a 4-inch vise. I am looking at the 3-inch vise, same kind. But what I do want as well is some fixture plates. It's a 150mm bed. I do want to improve this one for now, until I can get another mill. I do want a bigger mill, milling machine. But for now, this'll do. I haven't got my lathe yet, so I am looking into a Myford Super 7. Basic screw in that corner over there. All of the metal that I collect is going to go at the side of the shed. I'll make another shed just to put the metal work, all the metal products that I've got in there, and I want to get a bigger compressor, basically silent compressor, so that basically I can rig everything up in here. Like I say, it's only a 14 by 9 foot shed. It needed to be done for reasons that at the other end of the house we had a very small shed there. Well, like it was basically like a coal shed, concrete shed, and it was tiny, and all this lot was in there cramped in, and I couldn't work at all. Everything I had to do outside. So basically I just want some tips, any comments you'd like to say, please do. But my main aspect at the moment is to actually start building up equipment and tooling. I use basically, I'm trying to find stuff that is easy, not cheap. I don't mind paying out for products that people, if they want to say what products they use and what's good, basically. I am basically a DeWalt fan as well, so it seems that, yeah, I have a lot of DeWalt stuff, which I do, but I'm wanting to do a lot of metal work, basically, and get into metal work. That's, you know, pretty much, well, I love using metal, you know. Like I say, there's a few people that I watch on YouTube. Abon79, fantastic metal worker. There's Cutting Edge Engineering, he's fantastic as well. I've watched him from the start. There's a few others. Gary at Metalworks Machinery, he's another good one. His channel is fantastic, to be honest with you. But I just want to start getting into metalwork and having some fun with it, really, because basically what I want to do is build a mini locomotive. but that'll be down the line. I'm not doing that straight up. I've looked into it, looked at plans and stuff like that. So it'll be a good one to actually show and do, really. I've rebuilt certain things, you know, like vices, for instance. Stripped it all down, redone it all, and that lot. This vice was absolutely disgusting, to be honest. It rusted to hell. Threads were all shot on it, so I had to re-thread it all and stuff. But it is a decent bit of vice, like, you know. I've done my little mini vice. Redone all that work again. That were all shot, basically. So yeah, love a little vice, that, and it clamps up really well as well, to be honest with you. I am gonna make some extra jaws for it, just to clamp on here. I've got them here, and they'll fit just like that onto there, basically, because I want that extra room at the bottom, just a bit of room at the bottom, you see. So that's what I'm going to be doing there. And then on the mill, there's a little top hole here, basically, that I'm just going to make a cover to put over, so nothing can get in that. There was originally a cover over that, just a plastic cover, basically. I am going to get a DRO for this one. Power feed, I'm still looking into it, but it does work fine. Really? Excuse me. There's a tiny bit of run out, well, quite a lot of run out, really, before it starts turning. If anyone could tell me how I can adjust that, that would be fantastic. Same on this bit. So, but yeah, it is a nice little machine for what it is. I paid around about 900 quid for it a couple of months ago. Well, just under, because it come with a lot of tooling, you see. So, but it's all set up with coolant and that lot too. The little mini compressor down there, which does run it, basically, really well. Chinese copy. Which will work really well. As you can tell, the generator's just kicked in now. So it's a bit loud, that generator, for what it is loud, like. I'll put that in a minute. So yeah, but this is all new to me, so bear with me. There will be more content, there will be more videos. I will be showing you more different stuff that I do regarding what I want to make and build. I will be building a fixture plate for the mill. If anyone out there has got any info on different lathes that, you know, are recommended, like I said, I've been looking at the Myford Super 7, which is really good. They are a good little machine. I can't have anything massive in here to actually get it in. If it would have been up to me, I'd have had the full width of the garden workshop, like. But you can't have everything, really, can you? So, yeah, so just bear with me, and I'll be getting more content, more videos. As well, I'll be buying more tooling, talking about the tooling, and stuff like that, basically. There is a few more bits that I want to do in this workshop, like, you know, get everything all up and running and doing it properly, like, you know. I'm just on my camera phone at the moment, so I want to get some video cameras proper set up in here, so I can show you what I actually do. But like I say, mainly it's about, I'm doing some work to that bit there. I've already got the bit of metal that I'm going to be milling. So basically I'll just be taking the middle section out of this. So, and then just milling it out so it'll fit in. There is a slot that I've got to make for the bar, because it goes all the way down there. So like I say, it's alright, you know. I prefer, if anyone's got any questions about mills, please give it to me, because I'm always looking for a decent milling machine. I can't fit a big milling machine in here. There's just not enough room. I haven't got 3-phase, so I can't run anything on that. It's mainly mains voltage I use, 220, 240 volt. So that's the only way I can do it, basically. But yeah, I'll show you more of what I'm going to be doing in the workshop. But please just hold on, and I will be doing content of different stuff, really, showing you different things and what I am going to be building. I do want to build a vise. It's only going to be a small one, roughly around about the same size as that, basically. So, but that's what I want to do, really. But yeah, it is what it is, isn't it, really? You start out and you go from there, but the stuff that I want to build is not going to just, you know, going to be for now and then get rid of it. It's going to, I'll be using it, you know. So, fixture plates, vices, hold downs, clamps and stuff like that. Bar holders for tooling and stuff like that. Boring bars. So, but yeah, so I'll keep doing some contents and videos for you and little mini projects. So please subscribe to my channel and we'll get there eventually. Like I say, I am new to this, so it's just a bit slow at the moment. So, alright, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I will get back to you on the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.